I know my hair's pretty nasty today. You're just gonna have to live with it. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So glad that you're back here and up for an up. Oh man, don't worry, I'm not sick. But welcome back. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Yeah, really big day today. Gonna be putting the turbos on. I actually did some work this morning. I've been working out here quite a bit with us working at my 9-to-5 job, a little bit less. Obviously because of the events that are going on in the world. But I am still working. But I have a lot more time for out here, which is great. So the engine is came a long way from when you guys have last seen it. Yeah. Next up is turbos. So I'm going to show you the turbos we got, and I'm going to talk about them and do the reveal. But first, let's going to show you how we got to this point. Enjoy. Are you guys ready for this? Turbos I'm using. I actually got a full turbo kit. I have all the piping with it. You know what? I'll just show you. Okay, here we go. Here are the turbos. Yes, I know. I know. These little puppies are not what everybody dreams of. They're the old Greddy's. These are actually like the newer ones, but still the older ones. These are the TD05H 16Gs. So they're good for about the pair, like 500 horsepower. So, I mean, some guys have got like 6 out of them. But pretty, I would say, pretty consistent with a decent 500 horsepower with the sporting mods. Obviously, I'm not going to hit that. My injectors will slow me down, but yeah, I mean, you guys are going to hate on them. I know, but come on now. You get turbos, you get exhaust manifolds, external wastegates. I have all the piping. I'm actually not going to use a lot of it because I got custom piping. That's for later videos. Stick around for that. That's really cool. What else have to show you about that? But yeah, I mean, all you guys keep buying your fancy ball bearing turbos, and that's great and that's fine. But I'm not a professional driver. I don't need my car to keep up with a professional's car. I just want to have a lot of fun around Edmonton, still make a lot of power, a lot of fun. I mean, for the price of these old turbos, you get the exhaust manifolds, you get external wastegates, and come on now. Street car, external wastegates? Hate all you want, but I'll make the power I still want. It might take me a little more RPM to get there. But I got the NA, so I got the diff for running more RPM anyways. Yeah. Hate all you want. They're, for the price, some of the best turbos you can get for making decent power and just having a lot of fun. Even if not, they're not the fastest on the racetrack. But yeah, we're gonna put them on the engine, get them all set up. They are not water cooled; they're only oil cooled and oil lubricated. So I blocked off the water lines already. Yeah, I'm gonna keep putting them on. If there's anything else I can tell you, I'll let you know. Turns out one of these is right hand, one of these are left hand. I had no idea. I thought they were exactly the same. I can't believe I've never run into that issue before because I've put multiple of these engines together, but apparently every time I have, I just got lucky the first time. And now I've learned something new. I want to show you this. Thank goodness for back in 1990 or whenever Greddy put this turbo kit out. I'm legit. Look at these things. This is the installation kit or manual, whatever, all the Japanese writing, but it's like drawn out, a lot of it. It's hilarious. But hey, it did the trick. Alright, so I really want to get the side completed. Turns out, I can show you how this was. How we oriented. Oh, come on. I don't know. Oh yeah, like that. Yeah. Yeah, right there. Alright, so obviously, here, I'll turn this back up. So this line was too short for the drain line. This is actually the ATF drain line. I didn't have any random 3/4 line with me, so chopped it off. I might have to make that a little better. I want to keep it as long as possible. So I cut it right tight with the curve. I think this is gonna work. I just want to put a little more there. Just trying to make it a little more square. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's see. Maybe I should get the hose clean for this side too. Yeah. There she be. Dang, that looks good. This is getting me excited. Oh. Alright, look at this. Always bleeding. Always get some kind of bloody fingers or what have you. Alright, so I'm going to call that it for today. We just did the one side. I'll do the other side probably tomorrow. I don't think I'll film it. If anything interesting happens, I will pull out the camera for that. Otherwise, I will just update you guys when I'm done. I'll show you what it all looks like. Next we got either the engine coming out, which will be a lot of fun. It'll be a great thing to watch. Or I'm going to show you some of the setup for the intercooler. That's going to be a really cool video. I can't wait to show you guys what I have going on for that. It's I don't want to say too much, but I got this intercooler from Japan. It came online for sale and it was damaged. I'm gonna have to get it fixed. There's just a crack in one of the end tanks, but it's really cool. I bought it a little bit on a whim. I saw it, it looked like it was really well constructed and like it was done professionally. So I took a risk with it, came in, and I was overjoyed. It was above and beyond what I thought it was. It's really cool. Yeah, you guys are gonna really like it. And it could totally be duplicated as well if anybody wanted to. It's made from off-the-shelf parts. I don't want to say anything else, but you guys are gonna really enjoy it. It's custom, but it's really well done. It's so good. It's really good. So hopefully someone's playing a drinking game where they take a shot every time I say because I think I've done that like 20 times in the last minute. So good luck to you. Everybody else, like this video, subscribe. Alright guys, I'm going to take a second, just go over something real quick with you. So I've been making strictly car videos so far, and that's good. I'm enjoying it, it's fun. I've been thinking I might do some more just daily vlog sort of videos. I'll still obviously have a lot of car content in it, and I will make a lot of car videos still. That's strictly what's going on with the slick top and all my cars, but I think I might do some other videos as well that just talk about what's going on in my life. Let me know if it's something that would interest you. Just trying to keep videos getting made, but sometimes with the car stuff, it just takes a lot of time to be videoing and everything, and I want to get going with this car. So I want to be able to put out videos that you guys will enjoy, that aren't taking too much out of my life right now. So let me know if any of that interests you, if you guys want to strictly just be seeing car content, or if you guys want to see other stuff, see me walking my my giant 150-pound dog once in a while, or my daughter riding him, or playing pranks on my in-laws, any of that stuff. I think it'd be a lot of fun to film and show you guys as well, so I might start doing that. We'll see. I'm not really sure where this channel is going, but I'm still figuring that out. Thanks for sticking with me anyways while I am figuring it out. I will catch you guys next time. Hopefully it won't be too long before I have another video for you guys. I don't even know what it's going to be yet, like I said. But it's going to be good. I promise you it's going to be good. It's going to be good content. Alright, peace out.